So today I'm going to show you how I make my DIY flaxseed hair gel that's good for loose or locked natural hair. Before I get started and share the recipe, I want to go over some of the really good benefits of flaxseed gel when you use it on a consistent basis, okay? And this is for loose or locked natural hair. So one of the benefits is that it strengthens hair, okay? It actually strengthens the hair follicles and can reduce hair loss. The second thing that it does is it reduces inflammation. Flax seeds contain omega fatty 3 acids that also help reduce inflammation that can improve scalp and hair growth. The third thing is it's rich in vitamin E, okay? So the vitamin E that's in the flax seeds will nourish the scalp and reduce free radical damage. The fourth benefit of flaxseed gel is that it moisturizes, okay? It's a humectant and it draws water from the air into your strands. So this keeps your hair moisturized for a longer period of time. And I made a video called End Your Battle with Dry Hair using these 5 natural ingredients. If you have not checked it out, make sure you do. I'll show you how to make a really rich humectant moisturizing spray, okay, for your loose or locked natural hair. The fifth benefit of flaxseed gel is that it nourishes your scalp and it can help regrow damaged hair from the root by nourishing the scalp. The sixth benefit is that it promotes hair growth just by improving blood flow in the scalp. The seventh benefit of using flaxseed gel is it reduces dandruff. Alpha linoleic acid in the flax seeds can calm irritation and prevent the growth of dandruff. The eighth benefit is premature graying of the hair. Flax seeds have high antioxidant content that can help guard against oxidative stress, which causes premature aging and premature graying of hair. And the ninth benefit, it reduces breakage, split ends, and dryness. It has fatty acids that are found in the flax seeds that can make your hair stronger and less brittle, okay? So now you know the benefits of using the flaxseed gel on a consistent basis. Let's go ahead and make my foolproof recipe on how to make it yourself and save some coins. Okay, so what you're gonna need, distilled water. If you'd like to add an essential oil, you can have that. You're gonna need an 8-ounce bottle with an applicator tip, a measuring cup. I'm using a French press to strain the gel, organic flax seeds, a funnel, and your stainless steel spoon, and a saucepan. Okay, so first we start by adding 2 cups of distilled water. Next, you add your flax seeds, about a 1/4 cup. Once you bring it to a boil, you want to turn it down on low for about 7 minutes. The longer you boil it, the thicker the consistency, so make sure you turn it off when it's runny. You don't want it to get too thick. Let it sit for about 15-30 minutes, and this is the consistency that I prefer. Again, the longer you boil your flax seeds, the thicker the gel will be, which will make it a lot more difficult if you're using a French press to separate the seeds from the gel. So always keep that in mind. There's nothing wrong with wanting a thick gel, but when it comes to how you're going to extract it from the seeds, it can be an issue. Some people use the French press method. I found out about it from Lotus Flower Life. Shout out to her. But some people like to use the pantyhose method, where they pour the gel and the seeds into pantyhose and then use a tongs to strain the gel out. That's just way too messy for me. This was so much easier. As you can see, I'm able to press the seeds and it separates the gel, and it's simple as that. Once the seeds have separated from the gel, it's time for you to put it in a container. I'm using an 8-ounce plastic bottle with an applicator tip. And this measurements that I did, the 2 cups of distilled water and a 1/4 cup of flax seeds yielded exactly 8 ounces. So I'm opting to add an essential oil to my flaxseed gel. I chose lavender because it has so many medicinal benefits. The the aromatherapeutic benefit of reducing stress and anxiety. It balances sebum production in the scalp. It helps improve scalp circulation. And it also adds shine and strength. No matter what I use, I always know why I'm using it, okay? It's important. Don't just pick something just to pick it. See what the benefits are and how they're going to benefit you and your hair. So you just want to make sure that it's in an airtight container. It lasts about 2 weeks in the fridge with no preservatives. So try not to make too much so that you don't waste it. I've been using it for the past week just to kind of like lay my edges down when I'm doing head wraps and such. I will say thus far when I've been using it to stick down my edges, I have not noticed any flaking or anything like that. So I'm really happy about that. If there's any other DIY videos that you would be interested in seeing me make, drop them in the comments. And if I know how to make it, I will definitely make one, okay? Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.